If you've been trying to get organized for years, but you constantly stop and then start, or become distracted, I understand. It can be super overwhelming, especially when you've tried in the past and it just hasn't worked. But if you look at anyone's house that is put together and organized, what we see is that they have less stuff, period. What you're likely doing when you're caught in this never ending loop of trying to get organized is basically tidying up the mess, when instead what you need to do is reduce the amount of stuff that you have. It can be as simple as just choosing one category of clutter, like clothes or books, and getting rid of some of the things that you no longer love and use. If you're constantly trying to find homes for all your stuff, never reducing the amount first, you'll be moving piles and piles from room to room, leading to more frustration and exhaustion without any results. I'm Kim Sneath, the Clutter Coach, and I help busy women systematically declutter and get organized, freeing up hours in their week so they can get back to doing what they love most. If getting organized has almost become a hobby and you feel like you've been banging your head against a wall, then it's time to stop tidying. Your home isn't meant to take up all your time and mental space. Your home can be an oasis of calm, supporting you to do all the fun things you want in life rather than drain you before you even get out the door. So if you want a home that you love living in, what do? Well, first you need to declutter. You need to reduce the amount of stuff you have. Otherwise, you're never going to make a dent in this and you'll never get anywhere and you'll keep experiencing those old patterns. Second, choose one category of stuff. I always start with clothes with my clients and help them make decisions. Focus on that and only that, and don't do anything else until you're done with your clothes. If this feels daunting and overwhelming, I want to help you follow a step-by-step plan, and I put together a free exercise that you can download, which will show you my secret strategy that I use with my clients to get them through those tough decisions and get organized quickly and effectively. Click the link around this video to get started right now.